What's up, you guys? Your Sunny Trainer Chaz today, and welcome to your 15-minute yoga sculpt. We're gonna get the body nice and warm. We're gonna stretch it on out. Let's go ahead and get to it. Today we're gonna go through a series of movements derived from yoga, and we're gonna use some weights as well. Feel free to drop the weights if it's a little too intense. Mobility is the key when it comes to this workout. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. What we're gonna start with today is a tempo squat, and what that means is we're gonna try and take it all the way down. So if you got a dumbbell, go ahead and grab it, bring it out in front. We're just gonna hold it right in front, and we're just gonna go down at a nice good tempo, as low as you can, keeping the chest up, right back up. Beautiful, nice and slow, just like that. Good, inhale, exhale. Beautiful, you guys, keep it up. Couple more seconds. Beautiful. Go ahead and place that dumbbell down and shake it out. When you do this one, I really want you to focus on trying to keep that chest up and sinking into those hips. Last thing we want to do is for you to start getting to this position. I want you to stay right in here with those hips behind you. So if the weight is a little too much right now, feel free to drop that weight and focus on keeping that position, all right? One thing that might help is hinging those toes slightly outwards to help open those hips up, right? Let's go ahead and try it again. Grab that dumbbell, keep it up, take a deep inhale. If it's a little bit easier, you can bring it lower, but let's do it. Just like that. Inhale to going down. Exhale up. Beautiful, nice pace. Good job. Couple more seconds, guys. Beautiful. Last one. Excellent. Go ahead and drop that weight. Shake it out. One more time, you guys. Shake it out. Legs are starting to get a little looser, a little bit more warm. Just keep the movement. Move those hips around just like that, you guys. If you get any snaps, crackles, and pops, that's okay. If anything, it'll probably feel good. Okay, we got a couple more seconds. We're gonna do that last one. Go and grab your weight. Take a deep inhale. And take it down. Exhale. Just like that. Exhale. Good job, you guys. Good pace. Excellent, keep it up. Good. Push through it, push through it. Last one. Exhale. Beautiful, you guys. Go and place that dumbbell down, shake it out, catch that breath. Beautiful, let's go and take a seat. Call this the easy pose. Crisscross applesauce. If that's a little too much on your knees, maybe feel free to cross one leg, both legs, whatever's comfortable. From here, we're going to just find our breathing, but we're gonna add these dumbbells into it. We're gonna inhale those arms all the way to the top, exhale the arms coming down. For this, I suggest do not grab anything heavier than a 5. If you can, preferably a 3, 2-pound weight would be best, all right? With that being said, take a deep inhale. Exhale as we control it down. Bring the elbows in at the bottom, just like that. Inhale, looking to the top. Exhale. Beautiful. Deep inhale. And slow it down. Exhale. Feel that burn in the shoulders. I know you feel it. Don't rush through these movements. Beautiful. Couple more seconds. And time. Go and shake it out. Move those shoulders. Deep inhale and exhale. Play with the hand position as you do it. Sometimes your thumbs might be up on the way up. Sometimes your palms might be up on the way up. Palms might be down on the way up. Play with it. With that being said, go ahead and grab those dumbbells. Let's do it again. Take a deep inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Preventing those dumbbells from touching the ground each time. We want those arms to be under tension the whole time. Elbows coming in at the bottom, just like that. Excellent, you guys. Keep it up, almost there, last one. Beautiful, place those dumbbells down and just like before, shake those arms out. Very nice, you guys. You guys are doing great. I know those shoulders are starting to burn. Deltoids, even a little bit of the bicep and tricep might be feeling a little bit, but that's okay. It's a real slow movement, okay? Let's do one last time. Grab those dumbbells, take a deep inhale, ready, and beautiful, you guys. Couple more breaths, you guys. Good job, you guys. We're almost there, almost there. I know your traps are probably starting to feel it. Beautiful, you guys. Shake it out. Beautiful, you guys. Let's go ahead and stand on up. So this next move, what we're gonna go into is based off the warrior one, or a low lunge as we might call it, but we're gonna be right here. Notice my back heel is up and engaged the whole time. From there, we're going to have these dumbbells, and I want you to rest them on those shoulders just like this, and we're going to pulse. So we're gonna grab our dumbbells, I'm gonna place them right here, and just like before, like I said, find your breathing, down, just like that. If you feel comfortable here and you want a little bit more of a modification, go and raise those arms up, full extension. Good. Couple more seconds. Keep it up, keep it up. Beautiful. Slowly lower those dumbbells, bringing them down, and catch that breath. Deep inhale and exhale. We're gonna shake the legs out before we go right into the other leg. That way we can get rid of all that lactic acid before we build up and go into the next one. So this time we're gonna switch legs. And just like before, if you felt comfortable doing that, then start with those hands raised just like that, all right? So let's get back into that position. Chest up, and right into it. Good job, you guys. Think about dipping that back knee. Find that breath. Good job. You got it. Couple more breaths here, you guys. Last one. And time. Slowly lower those dumbbells and bring that back foot up. Go and shake it out. Shake it out. I know those legs are feeling it. They're burning. Deep inhale and exhale. Come back to your breathing. Always try and come back to that breath. Powerful breath for a powerful practice. Always come back to that breathing. Deep inhale, exhale. Beautiful. Let's go back to that first side. Stick that leg behind you. On that toe, chest up, hands up. If it's easier to bring your hands together, feel free, but just like before. Good job. Focus on your breathing. Good. Feel your hips, your glutes, and your quads all working here. Couple more seconds. And time. Dumbbells down first, and then bring that back foot up that way. Shake it out, you guys, shake it out. I know it's burning. Come back to your breath. Deep inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Once more. And exhale. Excellent, you guys. Keep it moving. Other leg. Now we got that right foot in front. Chest up. Dumbbells up. And right into it. Beautiful, you guys. Focus on that breathing. Keep it up. Think about dropping those shoulders. Couple more seconds. And time. Dumbbells down, foot up, shake it out, you guys. Big breaths. One more time on each side, you guys. One more time on each side. Slow it down. In the nose, out the mouth. Move those legs around and just keep coming back to that breath. Deep inhale and exhale. Beautiful. Our heart rate's probably starting to go up there now. So that's excellent. That's what we want. All right, let's grab our dumbbells. Last on each side. Let's put that foot behind us and right into it. Good job, you guys. Beautiful, nice, steady pace. It's not a race. If you need to adjust midway through, feel free. Couple more seconds. Beautiful, dumbbells down, back foot up, and shake it out. Catch that breath. If you need to grab some water, that option's always there for you. Deep inhale and exhale. Beautiful, you guys. Keep moving your legs and just, again, keep trying to slow that heart rate down. Just like that, you guys. Last time, last side. Let's get to it, you guys. Grab those dumbbells. Bring it up. Right into it. Beautiful, you guys. There you go. Find that breath. Excellent, you guys. Keep it up, keep it up. Almost there. And time. Excellent. Go and drop those dumbbells. Shake it out, you guys. Beautiful. Slow it down, deep inhale. And exhale. Once more. Beautiful, you guys. Let's take a seat. From here, let's bring some core into it. We're gonna go into a boat pose, modified. So let's start with the first basic boat pose, okay? So we're gonna bend those knees, keep the chest up. If you feel comfortable here, go ahead and extend those legs all the way up and hold. Otherwise, feel free to hang out down here. That being said, let's go ahead and grab those dumbbells. I want you to place them right up top on those shoulders, just like that. Now we're adding a little extra weight onto our chest. Once again, if you feel comfortable here, extend those legs up and focus on that breathing. Deep inhale and exhale. Good. Couple more seconds here. Big, powerful breath. And time. Slowly lower those legs, take those dumbbells off, and go ahead and sit on up. Slow that breathing down. Deep inhale and exhale. Once more, deep inhale and exhale. This time, let's take it a step further. We're gonna add a press with those dumbbells as our legs are extended. So we're gonna lean that chest back at 45. If this is the position you feel comfortable in, then that's fine. Otherwise, extend here, press, come right back down. Up and down. Find the breathing. Inhale, exhale. Good posture the whole way through. Beautiful. Couple more seconds. Last one. Beautiful. Lower those legs, dumbbells, and sit on up. Once again, deep inhale. And exhale. Good job, you guys. If you feel any pain in your back, try and bring your chest in a little bit more forward. Something you gotta work up to. With that being said, slow it down once more, deep inhale. Exhale. One last time, let's knock it out, you guys, all right? Go ahead and grab those dumbbells. Lean that chest back at an angle. Think good posture, extend those legs, right into it. Beautiful. Notice I'm adding a little bit of a rotation to my press. No big difference, whatever's comfortable. Beautiful, gaze is upright. Good posture, couple more seconds left. Nice and controlled. Beautiful. And time. Beautiful. Lower those legs, drop the dumbbells. Let's slow that heart rate down. Deep inhale. And exhale. Once more, deep inhale. And exhale. Awesome work, you guys. And just like that, you guys killed it. That is your 15-minute yoga sculpt. Thank you guys for practicing with me today. If you guys like my workouts, check me out on the YouTube. Like, comment, follow. Catch you guys on the next one.